Hey, so I'm at the place where I garden and I have some sea thrift here. I think it's called Armeria. I could be totally wrong, I'm probably wrong. Anyway, it has some beautiful little flowers and also some dead ones. I just planted this year, this spring. But this is how I deadhead it. So I'm just going to look at every single flower, and if I see something that is obviously dead, I can either go down and pinch it off. It comes off easily, or I can use some loppers, obviously. And so here's one right here. I'm just going to go down into its grassy foliage and cut. And try to find the piece I cut. Oh, here it is. Nope. I think that might be it. And that's it. So there's a new bud right there. So I'm going to leave that, obviously. This one has just a few flowers on it, but this one's dead. So I want to move these out of the way while there's a tiny new one. And just cut this dead one off. I'm cutting it low so there aren't like just little sticks sticking out of the top. Here's one that doesn't even have a seed pod. There. Here's a brown one. Oh, that's the one I originally cut. Here's a yellow one. There's one. Oh, that one just came off easily. There's one. I would definitely suggest using these that have the thinner tips. Here are 3 that I can cut off. 1, actually 4. And if you cut some of the leaves, don't worry. And this just gives the plant a chance to flower again. Here's one of the little seed pods. This kind of falls apart actually. Each one of these little pieces has seeds in it. This one looks a little wilted, so it needs some water, but this is like a full, nice, fresh bunch of flowers. Here's a newer one, and here, and there's a little bud. And those will grow to be that, and then eventually they'll start to wither, and you can see like the purplish color that's withered. Here's one that's more withered. These kind of remind me of sunflower seeds, actually. This one's kind of cute because it's new and has little flowers. The ones in between, the 3 outside ones, will still bloom compared to this one. These ones have already bloomed, so that's just kind of leftovers. You could cut that, but I'm just gonna leave that. And there it is. I was planting these in early spring. This area was totally empty. But this daylily has since grown in, and now that one is engulfed in it, so eventually I'll move it probably over here or something so that it has space. Here's another one.